What time works for everyone? With everybody's busy schedules, it can be hard to find the best day and time for a group of people to get together. Whether it's for a family reunion, a board meeting, hiking trip, or group study, WhenAvailable makes it a lot easier to find when works. Suggest dates for your event and send them to your guests. It's as easy as that. Without having to sign in, your guests can mark their availability. You can then simply schedule the event on the date that works for everyone. The best part is that it's absolutely free. The clean design and ads-free experience has made WhenAvailable a favorite for many people. Need something more? A premium membership offers advanced options like saving multiple guest groups if you frequently poll the same group of people, like, say, your book club. Allows you to poll a larger amount of people in the same poll. Quickly send a reminder email to guests who have not replied yet. View the poll results in a more detailed table view. Start planning today and see how easy it is to find when works.